World of YouTube, True Crime, Terrible Site, and everything else. Going over my footage on 4K camera for Patty Joyce. This is the this is the first video. I got two videos. Because like I say, my camera likes to cut short. For some reason it stops after so many minutes, like I say, and starts up another video. So far on this camera I have gotten nothing that I caught into the phone, mind you. The growling and the whatever was falling out of the trees. I mean, you can see over in this part there's a light. That's my flashlight off the phone. I was a good distance from this camera, so I'm not surprised that it didn't catch what I caught. But then again, you can see right there, there's leaves and stuff and branches moving. Of course, this long tree right here, weeded tree, that is seen moving few times, not just in this video, but in the other video. Plus up over here in this corner, there was a pine branch moving, as it is now. It's moving. Mind you, it was very, very calm last night. And you can obviously... Wait a minute. I gotta pause a moment. Bear with me. Well, as I was saying, it was a calm night. At first I didn't really, feel any breeze. But obviously there was enough, to sway the branches around. As I was talking, and I shut the video off because I did hear something. There's some weird noise that comes up. And I've had this happen before, and it sounds like something digital. Dong, ding, something digital, though, that you'll hear. But it's very, hopefully I can get it off the TV, but it is very low pitch. And see, I got it to max, so... But what is good about this is you ain't got much static off this TV like my other TV I had. But hopefully what I just heard I catch, so off of this. But it's a weird dinging sound, and oh yeah, it's there, folks. Something cracked in the trees. Now mind you, as you can see in this area, I was way past all this, so... And whatever's cracking sounds like it was up in this area. So as you go up diagonal, and when I was out there, I did hear something over in this distance. So I guess this is also something. I'm gonna play it back a couple times. Hopefully it comes out better. And I still gotta go over that musical thing I had in that other video. Hopefully this will bring it out better off this TV. But whatever this was, oh yeah, this was a crazy catch. I don't know what the hell made this noise, but whatever cracked, and then you hear dong ding, something was making noise to be known, folks. Making noise to be known. That is one weird, bizarre catch. And of course, I ain't never caught nothing like that off of, any video I've done. Besides, and it ain't music, but almost sounds like a friggin' xylophone or something. Xylophone. Them little sticks with the ball and the, little, if anybody knows what that is, a xylophone. That's what that just sounded like to me. Now, wouldn't it be crazy if there was any reference to Patty Joyce having any type of, childhood or whatever, or if she even liked xylophones, I know I had one of them when I was a kid, and it was a big, I used to play it all the time. And, it was fun, make music. So, but that's what that just sounded to me, a friggin' xylophone. And then the cracking in the tree. So, I believe we are on 23 minutes or 24 minutes into the video. So I had spoken throughout this video and the other one. Of course, you can't really hear me in this one. But when I was on the phone, you heard everything. You go on that video, yeah, you'll hear what I've said. But whatever that would be, and of course, folks, look, we're out in the middle of the woods here. What would make something sound like that in the middle of the woods? I gotta get back to this place, like I said, and I'm gonna go back when it is more quieter with the crickets, so sounds like this could be heard better. And mind you, listening to this video and listening to the stuff on the phone, yes, there was crickets in the phone, but literally them damn things in that phone, when I was listening to it, there was a lot of wow. It was getting real strange, like the cricket was on the phone. I mean, right in it. So I don't know, man. With that being said, and right, I get it. I was out in the forest here, and crickets are loud. But it almost sounded like there was something else making that type of noise, like frequency interference. So. But it sounded like a freaking cricket. So I can't even say that. But in these videos, and when I'm listening in here, this camera ain't picking up that loud, buzzing cricket noise. And I gotta watch the rest of it. But let's turn this on a minute. And you're listening, and it ain't buzzing like the phone was. And it definitely ain't buzzing like... And I don't know if the microphone on this, I would like to try and get another microphone for this camera, the 4K. But as you can hear, they're barely heard. All you hear is the hissing of the TV. So I mean, with that being said, I mean, maybe the microphone on the phone's a lot better quality or whatnot, but still, it just, whatever that noise was, boy, that's right, it sounded like a xylophone. But I'm going to finish this video out. I only got 24 minutes. I already watched the other one. The only thing I got on the other one really was this tree right here moving back and forth. But now I went on this video. I did see a lot of waving and movement throughout the trees. But mind you, this one never moved. These over here did. This one did. That did. All over here. But this one, I don't think ever moved. But whatever, there could have been a little breeze out that night. But I didn't feel it in the woods. And usually you hear that on the phone too. And on the phone all you could hear was crickets. And usually when the wind blows into these phones, or if I feel a breeze, you hear it. So maybe a light breeze. I mean, I can't say that was something wandering. So, but other than that, that noise you heard, that's something. So I'm going to finish this out. If there's nothing, I'm going to end the video. If so, you'll get the rest. But I will be back. Actually, as you can see here, there they are moving around and so forth. Like I say, them are moving. This one ain't moving an inch. That's kind of weird. Over here, these were moving earlier, but like I say, these are... Now they've stopped, but that's what I was seeing. But I'm not going to jump the gun on that. Oh, there's this one going. It is moving a tiny bit, but not as much as them. That's a debunk, though. But that noise, you can't debunk that. And the cracking in the woods. So, like I say, you can't even see me, and I was out of distance. That was a good distance out. So, finishing up, almost done anyways. They're at 24:18, 20, and it's 24:38, so I'll finish it out with me having it on. Other than that, everything else I caught on the phone. As you can see, there's my light in the woods, and that's it. So it moves on to the next video, of course, and that's 9 minutes. Like I said, the only thing I caught in that was the tree waving, but this one, that noise, whatever that was. Sometimes, like I say, that camera does catch some stuff, and it's pretty nice. It's nice. And now I gotta figure out, I gotta drill a hole in that casing and put that square box on it, that infrared red light dots, so I can illuminate the woods now better. And like I said, there's going to be some places I'm going to be going in the future. In October, October, so I got to get this camera really prepared. And I do have another one of them square boxes, so I wonder if I should just try and get that one to, drill it in a little bolt. And more illumination. Well, there you go, folks. Till the next video, be safe, take care, and always believe. I'm catching stuff, boy, and next, and like I say in the phone video, it did sound like something was channeling to talk, but it's not coming through, and I have that in the description box of the time. So whatever is out there was trying to communicate, but it wasn't strong enough through the channeling, say so. And you know what? The next time I go out here, I'm going to be bringing my CBs. Hopefully I don't get no interference by CBers, but my walkie-talkies I have. I'm going to bring them out, and I'm going to bring them to the Union Cemetery now that I think of it. That's coming up soon, folks. Believe.